Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to use vocal shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. So the first step that you need to do is make sure that you are on the latest version of your software. So go to the general settings here, and then what you're going to do here is you just have to tap on the update now button to get the latest software on your iPhone. And then from here, once done, just have to go to settings and then scroll down and find accessibility and look for the speech section and tap on vocal shortcuts. So right from here, as you can see, set up vocal shortcuts. Teach your iPhone to recognize a custom phrase that you can say to quickly perform an action. Audio is processed on iPhone. So tap on set up vocal shortcuts. And then from here, you will find here, you'll choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. So we're going to tap on the continue button. So in this sample, I'm going to select on screenshot. So right from here. And then, as you can see on this page, so custom phrase, add a speakable phrase that is unique to the action to run it. So I'm going to type take a screenshot. Then tap on go at the bottom right. And then here, just need to say take a screenshot 3 times. So take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. And once done, action is ready. So iPhone will listen for take a screenshot and perform action to the screenshot. So if you're going to home screen and say the custom phrase, then it will automatically open the system or app that you have just chosen. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.